Hello, everyone. My name is Ronald. I'm the quality engineer manager for athletics, and I'm going to go over the Letscom wireless car charger mount. Here is how it looks. Pretty cool looking. Has a glass panel for the backing of where the phone will sit in. Has the words Letscom written across it, and then it has a ring here. You can't really see it, but it'll light up once you give it power. Now let's turn it around. Once you turn it around, it has the Letscom information, model number, output, input, FCC ID. On top of this, there's a little power button, and this lets you open and close the arms. You could do it multiple times, even when you don't have power to it, because it has a super capacitor inside of it that can store a huge amount of power. To install the air clip vent that it comes with, all you got to do is undo this little thread here, just enough so it's not pinching the teeth inside, and then pop in this clip, the ball joint. Then tighten the thread, adjust the teeth to how you need it to be. And you can see the teeth open and close pretty easily. Doesn't take a lot of force. And then in your car's air vent, just guide it, push it up, and slide it in. Oh, that fell. All right. So now we have our Letscom wireless car charger mounted on the car. This takes a USB-C cable, which is provided. All you gotta do is hook it up to the back here. It's on the bottom. There you go. And as you can see, this lights up when power is given to it. I have a Samsung phone here that has wireless charging capabilities. And you see the charging mode has been enabled. So let's say I turn off my car. It'll stop charging it, but I can still open and close the arms. Let's turn on the car. Let's turn off the car. So when the car turns on, it will open and close the arms. All right, thank you guys.